We have an iPhone SE 2020. Its home button is not working. We will go deep dive after the intro. Disassembly of the phone display panel. Now unmount the home button module. We will reball the home button and touch IC. Now go to the microscope for deep dive. Removing the IC through the hot gun. Cleaning the flex connectors. Cleaning the IC connectors. Adding soft soldering paste. Install the IC on the flex. After the phone assembly, check the phone. The home button is operating normally. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.